to www.africanpianolessons.com. So we're starting the series on playing R&B, basically R&B, the hip hops, and as time goes on, we'll gradually expand and move into the American ones, or any song of request that people like to learn. And I thought maybe one of the easiest song and to start with, African Queen by Idibia. And quite a lot of people who have been following the African hip hop so far will know it's one of those songs that actually exposed Afro beats to the world at large, really. So, and it's a very simple song, it just follows like basic chord progression. I remember it's one of those early movements you learn, chord 1, 6, 5, 4, and it's done in B flat. So if you revise the B flat major scale, so it's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. And the chord progression for those songs go from 1, 6, 5, 4. So chord 1 is, and it's basic major chords: B flat, F, B flat, D, F, B flat, D. Then chord 6 is G minor, G, D, F sharp, or you can play, if you can't stretch this far, you can play. Then D, G, F sharp, D. Then chord 4, E flat, E flat, E flat, or E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, and F, F, C, F, C, F, E, C. Just like the song, light of the, okay, you light up my heart. So the only one I ever seen with a smile so bright. Just yesterday, you came around my way, check my whole scenery, just beauty. You gotta make your brother sing, ordinary things, supernatural being. I know you are just better than the moon. I don't understand the way you are. African queen, the girl of my dream. You take me where I've never been. So that's the whole song. Now the reading was so if you hold the left hand, B flat, F, B flat. So F, B flat, D, F. So you can go. So it's F, B flat, D, F. Just arpeggiate it. And when you go to G minor, it's D, G, B flat, D. Or you can even do F, G, B, D. Or so chord 4, B flat, E flat, G, B flat. Just C, F, A, C, and back to so practice that, and that will take you to the world of arpeggios, and when you've learned this very well, then we'll move to the next hip hop song, which the lesson should be uploaded very soon. Thank you, and see you at the next lesson.